Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y di tayo malasing. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang tugtugin, sa'yo ang sayawan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y lumigaya ang lahat. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang pagkain, sa'yo ang inumin. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y mausog mo kami. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y di tayo malasing. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang tugtugin, sa'yo ang sayawan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sana'y lumigaya ang
Ako birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami ng birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday ha! At you make sure na mag-ingat ka.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
You have
Happy birthday! May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Birthday po! God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi po ingatan ang inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy, happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.